From the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, this is an ITTV special report.
Our next guest, for example, has been named an International CES Innovations 2012 Design and Engineering Award honoree for their home theater rack. And you would think, well, that sounds cool, but wait till you hear more about this one. And when you come by our website at intotomorrow.com, see the video of all of the interviews and all of the product highlights that we're showing you as well. Vice President for iGo Audio is Terry Havener. Terry, welcome into Tomorrow. How you doing?
Doing great, Dave. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well, too. Tell us about your all-in-one home theater system with surround sound. It is a unique product, an award-winning product. Want to let our audience know about this. Pretty cool.
Well, Dave, we've got a concept where it's a TV stand. It has shelving to hold any of your components, such as a Blu-ray player, things like that.
So far, normal, right?
Normal.
A lot of people make TV stands, but here's where you get different.
Then we throw in an amplifier, full subwoofer system, full surround sound system. All the speakers, we go up to 280 watts. It's a deluxe model.
And this is all built in to the stand.
All built in one piece.
Yeah.
It takes 10 minutes to assemble. You can be watching TV and listening to our great sound in 10 minutes.
Oh, love it. And probably made a whole lot more sturdy than the IKEA nonsense that we've filled our control room with, unfortunately.
Absolutely.
But that's what's so cool about it. The setup is very easy now, you're mentioning. So you're good to go within minutes. And you've got everything you need. Just put your TV on top of it, huh?
Absolutely. It's very easy, like I said, to assemble. It accommodates. We've got 5 different models. We accommodate up to a 65-inch TV. It'll support virtually any weight of TV that you want. Very solid built. It's a good warranty program. Mm-hmm. And it's much less expensive than buying all the separate components together.
And well, give us an idea then, from the 5 different models, where do they start and go up to?
We go from $299. Keep in mind, that's a remote control amplifier, speakers, TV stand all in one, from $299 up to $1099.
Wow, very nice. I mean, you're going to spend $300 on a decent stand to begin with, let alone one that's got all the components in it.
And those are the ones that wiggle.
Yeah, yours doesn't wiggle if it's not supposed to, right? Now, you're also partnering with DTS, HD, and SRS. I mean, so some of the models, I'm assuming, have, when you talk about surround sound, built into this TV stand.
Absolutely.
You're doing some pretty fun things?
Yes. We've got all the different concepts. We've got presets on it. You can adjust everything individually. The left subwoofer, the right subwoofer, however it wants to set up in your room.
And I'm assuming now, and of course, again, we're going to show you some video at intotomorrow.com, so don't hesitate to swing by there to see what we're talking about. But you're really hiding all the cool stuff. And people say, where is the sound coming from? How are you controlling your amplifier? Where is it? It's not on the stand. You can put flowers or books or something on the stand.
One of the things we realize is people don't want a cluttered TV area. They don't want a cluttered living room. This is something that is very presentable in any kind of decor.
And it is, no doubt. How'd you come up with this idea? Was it a scenario where maybe your wife said, okay, this has got to go. I don't want to see this stack of stuff. That's great, but just show me the TV.
Yeah, I would like to take claim for this, but actually this is an Asian design. It's been around for a number of years. We're just introducing it in the United States. It's been extremely successful in the Asian market. The manufacturer of this product, we are the manufacturer, but that division is actually the largest speaker manufacturer for flat screen TVs, and they team up with several of the best brands in the world and create not only TV sound systems but also audio sound systems. They're probably one of the best speaker manufacturers in the world.
Excellent.
And they realized, because they do so much work with flat screen TVs, they realized as flat screen TVs got flatter and thinner, the sound kind of got flatter and thinner.
Yeah, funny how that works, isn't it? And 50% of your enjoyment is the audio. I mean, we don't have to be in radio to tell you that, but you've got to work on that, so now you've solved that problem for folks as well.
Our team realized that what was going on and realized there was an opportunity to put something else in the market, something that that would make everybody happy. And of course, it makes the experience of a flat screen TV with all the beautiful pictures that we see now much better.
Sure.
You've got to have the sound.
Exactly. And you've got to have connectivity. So let's talk about that real quick, too, in our remaining time. The ability that all of these components that are built in, how does it then connect to and from your TV?
The easiest way is an optical output. Optical output out of your TV is one cord. You plug it into the back of our equipment, and you're good to go.
Good. And, of course, HDMI is standard, too,
HDMI.
so you're going to carry everything.
We also have analogs if you want to hook up, say, an iPod or something.
Okay.
You want music in your room.
Sweet.
It's a full package.
Well, I'm going to promise our audience we're going to check it out even more at some point in the near future, slightly into tomorrow. We're going to arm wrestle Terry for one of the units, and we'll show more detail. But mostly we want to make sure that it does everything he says it does. So far, I'm impressed. iGoAudio.com. We'll link you there, too, when you hit us up at intotomorrow.com. Terry, thanks for spending a few minutes with us. Good luck. Cool product.
Dave, it was a great honor to be here. Thank you.
It's our pleasure. Back with more from Las Vegas and CES Unveiled, part of the 2012 International Consumer Electronics Show. Dave Graveline bringing you further into tomorrow.